Modification of plants. In this video, we are going to see about why, how and what the plants get modified. Root modification. Roots are modified to perform additional functions such as support, reproduction, respiration, floating on water, and obtaining food from another plant. Providing additional support. Top roots. In trees such as banyan, roots from tall branches hang downwards and anchor into the soil to provide support. Stem roots. They arise from the first few nodes of the stem. Examples are maize and sugarcane. Climbing roots. Roots take support of walls, rocks or trees and help the plant to climb. Examples are money plant, beetle and black pepper. Multiplication. Tuberous root. Root tubers such as those of dahlia, asparagus and sweet potato are modified food storing adventitious roots and may also give rise to new plants. Respiration. Breathing roots. Roots of some marsh plants grow upwards. The exposed root tips have minute pores through which the roots respire. Thus, these roots are also called breathing roots. These are unique to black and grey mangrove. Some mangrove plants also have stilt roots, which are formed at the base of the mangrove plant. These help in providing a firm anchorage in the soil mud of marshes. Floating on water. Some aquatic plants have air-filled spongy roots to help them float on water. Obtaining nutrients. Parasitic roots. Roots of parasitic plants such as dodder penetrate into the host plant to absorb nourishment. Modification of stems. In certain plants, the stem too are modified to perform special functions such as the storage and the manufacture of food, vegetative reproduction, support and protection. Storage of food and reproduction. Tubers. These are swollen underground food storing modified stems that enable the plant to survive cold or dry season. An example is potato. It bears small scale leaves. Scale leaves are modified leaves which protect the bud. Each potato has leaf scars, which are in fact the marks of fallen scale leaves. Each scar has a bud called an eye, from which a new plant arises. Bulbs. These are underground stems with fibrous root at their base. They have a disc-like stem enclosed by food-storing scale leaves. Examples are onion, lily and tulip. Rhizomes. These grow horizontally below the soil surface. These have nodes and internodes and produce fibrous roots along their lower surface. The leaves involved in photosynthesis are present at the tip of the rhizome. These stems store food and help in the multiplication of plants. Examples are ginger and iris. Combs. These are short, swollen underground food storing modified stems. Protective scale leaves are present on combs. This enables the plant to survive from one growing season to the next. The comb also helps give rise to new plants. Examples are colocasia and gladioli. Manufactured food. Cladophylls. Stems of plants such as the prickly pear have flattened leaves like stems called cladophylls to carry out photosynthesis and to store water. protection. Thorns. Thorns are woody and pointed structures. Thorns of acacia protect it from grazing animals. Support. Tendrils. Several climbing plants such as grapevine and ivy produce modified stems called tendrils, which twine around and supports and help the plants to climb. Multiplication. Runners. Plants such as strawberry produce horizontal stems with long internodes called runners and usually grow along the surface of the ground. Several runners may radiate from a single plant. Modification of leaves. Leaves of some plants are modified to perform many other functions. Support. Leaves of some plants are modified to form tendrils. Tendrils are slender curved structures mostly found in climbers. Tendrils twine around objects with the help of their spring-like structure. Examples are grapevine and pea plants. Tendrils or grapevine can develop from either the stem or leaves. Protection. Leaves of some plants are modified to form spines. Spines are hard protective structures mostly found in desert plants due to scarcity of water in deserts. The leaves of cacti are reduced into spines to prevent the loss of water from transpiration. Thus, in such plants, the stem carries out photosynthesis. Obtaining food. Leaves of some plants are modified to attract, trap and digest insects. Examples are the pitcher plant and the Venus flytrap. Storage of food. Leaves can be modified to store food. Onion is an example. We eat the fleshy leaves of onion. Multiplication. Leaves modified for reproduction produce tiny plantlets as their edges. These plantlets become new full-size plants when separated from their parent leaves. Bryophyllum is an example. Hope you people learn about plant modifications. I am happy to give you these